Today, look at this simple desktop. And now look at this one. Can you see the difference, my friends? Today, we're going to make our taskbar look absolutely insane with this animated girl theme. Just look at her. It looks so nice and clean. I've provided all the links in the description below. Go download the required files. Let's start the video. Let's go. Now, coming back to your boring desktop. First of all, my friends, we need to add our background wallpaper. I've already provided it in a RAR file through a Google Drive link. Go download it and set it as your wallpaper. Next, we'll hide the icons, search bar, and taskbar items. Right-click on the taskbar and open Taskbar Settings. Then hide the search and task view options. After that, go to System Tray Icons and disable all the unnecessary icons. Now open your browser and search for Windhawk. Simply download Windhawk. Open the Windhawk setup and install the software on your PC. It will automatically download some required source files. Now, once the installation is complete, simply open Windhawk. And now, the main work starts. So don't skip the video, my friends. Click on Explore, then search for taskbar height and icon size. Open it. Now simply click Install. It will install in just 2 to 3 seconds. After that, go to Settings and follow my steps. Adjust the taskbar size and icon size however you like. When everything is done, simply go back. Next, search for Start Menu left side. When you find it, open it and click Install. And now look, my friends. Our taskbar Windows icons have moved to the left side. It looks super clean and really cool. Next, come back and search for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. When you find it, simply install it on your PC. After installing, go to Advanced Settings. Here you'll see the mod settings. Now it's time to paste the code I provided in the RAR file. Go to the folder, find the Taskbar Styler text file, open it, and copy the code. Then come back to the Windhawk app, paste all the code into the box and click Save. And now look at your taskbar. It looks absolutely insane, my friends. Amazing. Now go to Settings, find the width option, and adjust the size according to your screen resolution. It depends on your display. Scroll down a little more, and you'll see the System Tray Frame. Adjust this as well to match your Windows resolution. Now this task is done. Go back again and search for Taskbar Labels icons. Open it and install it on your PC. After installing, go to Advanced Settings and follow the same process as before. Open the main folder again, and this time find Taskbar Label Style. Copy all the code, go back to Windhawk, paste it into the box, and click Save. Now look at your taskbar. It looks super clean and really nice, my friends. Stop. Final surprise for you, my friends. A free animated girl on your desktop. Now simply open any browser and search for Steam. Go to the official website, download Steam, and install it on your PC. Then create your Steam account. Once everything is ready, open Steam. Go to the search bar and search for Desktop Mate. Open the first result and install it on your PC. And now, your animated girl will appear directly on your taskbar. It looks super cute and really amazing. You can also customize everything, adjust the size, change the voice, change the color, or even switch characters. You can place her anywhere on your screen, on the taskbar, on the Explorer, or anywhere you like. Now, my friends, this is the final preview. Look how awesome it looks with the animated girl. We completely transformed a simple taskbar into an insane, animated, stylish setup. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next awesome video.